is Tuesday evening, October 26th, and I am at a client who runs a kids dental center. That's actually the name of the business, Kids Dental Center, here in Chandler, and they are swapping out their current DSL flash router with a new one, this ActionTech Qwest, and I'm currently just pre-configuring it here with my laptop plugged in there, and I've got the browser utility up, so just configuring it to match the existing network settings before I plug it on in. So I'm pretty much wrapped up here and pretty much set. I've configured the wireless settings, SSID, the password, stuff like that, and getting all that configured. They also have a billing machine out on the back that has a pre-configured port forwarding rule required for their billing assistant to remote in and do their job. So I'm ready to unplug this thing and get things ready. So here we go. Unplug. Take the power out. And let's just move this guy into the wiring closet. Alright, well, here I am. The existing setup is up here. There's the existing router, DSL modem. Here's a new one. Looks like I'm going to need a ladder to get to the power line since I'm a short Asian. You got some buzzing noise up there. Sounds like the light, but let's get a ladder. Alright, here we go. Unplug and we're off. There's the power line. Looks like their office network consists of also 2 switches. So here's the power line for the new one. Put this guy in. There we are. And now we need the new one. So first find out the green line is the DSL line. Take that out. The yellow goes to the rest of the network. Take this out. Now let's just plug it onto the screw. Like that. Got it plugged in. Lights are on. And to set it up on here, there's a line, and it's all plugged into these 2 switches. Netgear switches. And what I'll do is make sure to recycle the power on these things. This one. Plug it back in. The other one. Back in. Down. Alright. Now we'll check on the workstations, make sure they're online. Alright. Let's first check the doctor's laptop. Check our networking settings. Alright, says that we're online. Let's say if we went to great. Let's do a random search here. And we're online. Okay, good. Let's check out the other computers. Looking good. Okay, great. Alright. Here's the other station. Alright, perfect. And then the final station. I had rebuilt this one, so that's why it's got Firefox on here.